Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonnemann, and today I get to spend a few minutes introducing you to the Time to Travel collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection is filled with bright colors, fun patterns, luggage, road maps, tickets, RVs, postcards, and so much more. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this mini collection. The collection kit includes a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, as well as 2 of each of the patterned papers in this collection. Let me show you each of the pieces in the collection kit. The element sticker sheet includes over 50 stickers featuring stamps and tickets, RVs, luggage, lots of icons, cute push pins, as well as this 12-inch border perfect for accents on a 12 by 12 scrapbook page. The 3-day vacay paper includes 2 4x6 cut-aparts, as well as 8 3x4 cut-aparts. I love the fun and bright colors in the cut-aparts that you can use in pocket pages, layouts, as well as cards. I'm super excited to use this collection for a travel folio that will hold postcards, receipts, photos, memorabilia, and any journaling that I might want to do while I'm on the road. The backside of this paper includes a 2-tone green city grid map. The Let's Go paper is perfect for all of you who love camping in your RV and taking your adventures on the road. I really like this corkboard background as well. How cute is that? And those that know me know that I love a good rainbow stripe, and the backside of this paper does not disappoint. This pattern will mix and match beautifully with all of the other elements in this collection. Tourist mode offers a ton of bold and bright postage stamps, as well as journaling spots and this fun postcard. Use this paper as a background for a layout, or even fussy cut all of these little elements for even more options. When you're looking at the back of this paper, you will find 4 6x6 squares that you can use for cards, die cut different patterns for fun tags or banners. These patterns are great for card makers, but also offer fun mix and match options for other paper crafting projects as well. This paper features travelers of all kinds. It is perfect for capturing moments while traveling across town to the park or across the country. The back side of this paper includes a wonderful corkboard design. Pair the corkboard background with the push pins from the element sticker sheet for quick and easy layouts. This bright and bold luggage paper makes me want to pack my bags for anywhere but home. I'm really missing those adventures both near and far. I bet you are too. The royal blue and white polka dot pattern on the back gives this collection a fun pop of color. The last paper included in the collection kit is called Pack Your Bags, which includes lots of fun travel elements and sayings such as Are We There Yet?, Pack Your Bags, Road Trip, as well as fun maps, cute luggage, headphones, and more. If you are looking for a great paper to use for journaling or matting photos, consider this pretty yellow grid paper. It would make awesome die-cut tags as well as journaling spots. The last piece in this collection is the Ephemera pack, which includes 26 travel icons, including tickets, stamps, titles, banners, frames, phrases, and more. Perfect for adding elements to travelers' notebooks, folios, layouts, and cards. Add foam tape to any of these icons, and you can create fun 3D elements for any of your paper crafting projects. We know how hard it is to travel safely right now, and Michelle Coleman did a wonderful job of designing this collection so you could celebrate the small adventures across town as well as across the country. We thank you so much for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today and spending time discovering the Time to Travel collection. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and leave a message. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.